Muda, muda, muda. In Japanese, muda is a word for waste. Entrepreneurs, organization and professional waste around 4 hours of work time in unnecessary activities. Factories of Future believes that people should do more in less time. We analyze and identify gaps in processes and manufacturing environment. Further, quickly implement tools and systems which are easy to adapt, which results in substantial increase in productivity. We believe future factories should be sustainable, adaptive and smart. These are the three cornerstones for survival in future. Are you progressive organizations who want to achieve greater operational excellence? Call on us. Be future ready.